There are 12 vowel sounds in the English language, and these are the phonetic symbols representing those sounds. The English vowel sounds can be divided into three groups according to their length. This is the form they are produced. The three groups are: group number 1 are the short vowel sounds, which I call them single sounds. Group number 2 is the neutral sound, the schwa sound. And group number 3 are the long vowel sounds, which I call them double voice sounds. Okay, ready? Good day everyone, I'm Pat Diaz and welcome to Understanding English Pronunciation. Today we are talking about the short vowel sounds. Let's begin. When producing the vowel sounds, we need to pay attention to three hows. Number 1, how to shape the lips. The lips could be shaped spread or rounded or in between. Number 2 is the jaw. How open or closed the jaw should be when producing the sounds. This could be open, neutral, or closed. And number 3, how to position the tongue inside of your mouth. So the three hows are lips, jaw, and tongue. Second, we need to pay attention to where the sounds are produced in the vocal tract. For instance, they could be produced at the front, in the middle, or at the back of your mouth, etc. So the area the sounds are produced. And third is the form, the length. Are the sounds short, neutral, or long vowel sounds? In this case, of course, they are short vowel sounds. Okay, there are 6 short vowel sounds in English. They are the U, the U, the E, the A, the O, and the O. Now, these vowel sounds are called short vowel sounds in English pronunciation. Short. But in fact, they are neither shorter nor longer than the other vowel sounds. And many students have trouble understanding this concept. So, what makes these sounds different to other vowel sounds? Well, in my opinion, the difference lies on the form the sounds are produced. Let's take the E sound as an example. If I extend or make this short phoneme longer, it will remain steady or the same without ever changing its pronunciation while I am producing the sound. Listen. And that's why I call these sounds single sounds, because there's only one steady sound. Now, if we compare these sounds to a long vowel sound, let's say the O, we are going to see that this long vowel sound varies its intensity when produced. Listen. O. And that's why I call them double voice sounds. Okay, we are set to see each one of these short single vowel sounds. Number 1 is the U. Try to say it. U. Examples: big, fix, hit, little, milk, since, and with. Now, in order to produce this sound correctly, you need to shape your lips semi-spread and push forward. The jaw should be closed or fairly closed, and we need to lift the tongue up to a high central position. This sound is produced at the high central part in your mouth. I. Let's try the examples again. Big, fix, hit, little, milk, since, with. One more time. Big, fix, hit, little, milk, since, with. Very good. Number 2 is the sound U. U. Try to say it. U. U. Examples. Book, could, good, look, put, sugar, took. Okay, now in order to produce these sounds correctly, you need to shape your lips semi-rounded with the jaw closed or fairly closed, and we need to lift the tongue up to a high central back position in your mouth. This sound is produced at a high central back part in the mouth. Ooh, ooh. Let's try the examples again. Book, could, good, look, put, sugar, took. One more time. Book, could, good, look, put, sugar, took. Very good. Well, we are going to continue looking at the English short vowel sounds in the next lesson. Okay, that's all for today. Don't forget to practice. See you next time. Bye for now.